What's your name?
My name is Mbongeni Dube.
Yes, Lawrence Dube. What are you, a student?
Yeah, I'm a student. Now I'm technically studying law.
Right.
Yeah.
I know you love football. You just told me that you've been following the games. What do you think of the football in Qatar right now?
Well, based on the conditions are really good, but it's a country that doesn't really play soccer that much. So, um, based on the teams I've seen playing right now, I'm not really happy about the previous games from yesterday and since the cup started.
The games in the afternoon, you said they were also boring.
Yeah, the games in the afternoon were not so fun. Like maybe it's because the stadiums don't even have momentum at the moment. Maybe it's a cause of effect that maybe like the World Cup just started, but usually the past years it's been more vibey when the game starts. I don't know what's different this year.
What are you looking forward to seeing this game? Do you think there will be an improvement on these games?
I'm actually waiting on the coming games: Argentina, France, Saudi Arabia, Denmark, and others. And I think that's Group C. So I'm actually looking forward to looking at Messi and the defending champions from France, Mbappe, the likes of uh, Kante. Though he's not in the World Cup this year, but he's going to be in the supporting bench for France. So he was a key player in the last World Cup. So we want to see if they're going to be able to defend themselves.